Good morning. Let us continue the class lesson number 4, that is force, work and energy. Today we will learn about the energy. See, nothing is in the world that without energy we can work, isn't it? So many things are there which can do with the energy only. We get natural energy and we get artificial energy also. So vehicles can move on energy, that is petrol energy, and plants, they make their own food to live with the help of sunlight energy, and we get food. How do we get energy? With the food only. When we eat food, then only we get the energy to do work. And animals also, they get energy from the food only. And we make the electricity also with the moving water, that is also an energy. So energy is the basis for everything. You cannot work anything without energy. So the amount of work you do is depend upon the amount of energy you have. So that is why energy can be defined as the capacity to do work. So energy is in the different forms. That is energy of light. Energy of light. This is the green energy. We get naturally energy when we stand in the sunlight. We get the vitamin D. And plants also, they use this energy to make their own food. And some cookers and heaters are there which they produce. They can make they can heat the water. We can heat the water on the solar cell, and all special cookers are there. We can cook in that. Food also we can cook. And you might have seen in the villages also, some small cells are there. They kept in the sunlight, so it produces the energy. So that energy is called the solar energy. The sunlight energy is called the solar energy. Solar cells are there. Now here also you can see on the traffic light poles, above that you will find cell, the solar cell, which produces the electricity and generates the light of traffic lights. So I will show you what type of light those are. So these are the solar cells, and this is the solar cooker, help us to cook food and heat water also. Some people, they keep it on the top of the building. This is the solar cooker. The sun is the main source of energy for the earth. This energy is called solar energy. This energy is called solar energy. Then coming to the next, energy of motion. Energy of motion means something moves, it gets energy. Means when you hit a ball, so before that, when the ball is coming, you will be ready with the bat. So it produces the energy. The bat produces the energy to hit the ball in that force only. Then only it can cross the boundary. Suppose if you don't hit the ball, then can the ball go beyond the boundary? No, it will not go. Suppose if you want to put a nail into the wall, you will take a hammer, will be ready to beat, put this. So the hammer gets the energy of hitting the nail. So with that force only it will go. So something moves, it gets energy. This energy in turn make things move. Means that much only. Suppose if we want to heat, immediately what happens? Our hand will go back. So this produces the energy and makes the things move. So this is called the energy of motion. Then second point, moving water has the energy of producing the electricity, and that is called the tidal power. Tidal power, tidal energy, and it produces the electricity. So when the water falls from a height on the turbine, and the turbines start moving and it generates the electricity. So that is the one. And one more, moving wind also generates the electricity. How? You might have seen the big poles, that is called the windmill. So this force also, this motion, the energy of motion also can make the windmill move. However, how the blades are moving, this is the windmill. It has the blades in this way. As the wind moves, this also starts moving. When this starts moving, this blade starts moving, and it starts producing the electricity. You can watch whenever you are traveling. So in the small villages, big poles are there. In Tirupati also you can find one place. There you can see the windmill. You might have seen somewhere the outskirts of villages, you will find the windmills there. So this is the energy of motion. Means whichever thing it is moving, motion means the things are moving and produces the energy also. So this is the chemical energy. You might have seen the batteries are there. What is there inside the battery? The chemicals are there, and chemicals are having the energy to produce. So when torch, we can say the torch, when we get the power off, that time we put the torches. How? Because of the batteries only it lights. The chemicals are there in the batteries, and the chemicals, we get this energy from the chemicals which is in them. The energy is in them, in the chemicals only. So when we use the energy stored in them, it changes into electrical energy. So that is why the moment we put the torch light, we get the light. How? In this way only, the chemical energy is in, we get the energy from the chemicals only. Chemicals, it changes, the energy is stored in them, changes into electrical energy. When we switch on that, it changes into electricity, and we get the power. So that is the chemical energy. Atomic energy. An atom is the smallest part of matter. When atoms split, we get atomic energy, and this energy is used to produce electricity. And atom is the smallest part of matter. When atoms split, we get atomic energy, and we use this energy to produce electricity. We produce electricity. That is, I will show you. Just you can see. This is the atomic energy. Now, electrical energy. Electrical energy means gadgets. Mixer is there, mixing. and then lights are there, fans are there, air conditions, air coolers, those are all running on electricity. So that is the electrical energy. And then energy from fuels. When we burn, we get this energy by burning the fuels. What are those fuels? Coal, gas. We use this energy to cook food, and petrol and diesel, we use this energy to run the vehicles. These are the forms of energy. How many forms of energy are there? One is energy of light, that is solar energy. Energy of motion, something moves, it gets energy. This energy in turn makes things move. So that one, and the moving water, we produce electricity from the moon, means motion. Water is in the motion, water is moving when it falls from the height. So that it falls on the turbines. When the turbine starts moving, it produces the electricity. So then windmill is also one which can produce the electricity by motion only, because with the air force, these force of the air, this blade starts moving and it generates the electricity. So these are the energy of motions. Then chemical energy. The energy is in the chemical. We get energy from the chemical. And then especially in the batteries, whatever the chemicals are there in the batteries, when we switch on the torch light and all, it changes into electrical energy. So that is one. And atomic energy is the smallest part of matter. When atoms split, we get atomic energy, and we use this energy to produce electricity. So electrical energy means when we are switching on the lights, fans, air conditions, air coolers and all those things, computers, systems, televisions and everything, it runs on the electrical energy. Energy from fuels, coal, gas, wood. So energy is in that when we burn them, so the energy is produced, and we cook food on that. And petrol and diesel are also an energy which we use them to run the cars. So this used to run the cars and engines and everything. So today we have learned about the energy. You have learned many things, interesting things we have learned about this, and few more things we'll learn more about them in the higher classes. So with this we have finished the force, work and energy, this lesson. Please go through it, and whatever the new words are there, the key words are there, by heart those spellings. Read this lesson number of times, then you can understand this lesson, and you will remember the points, whatever points I have explained you, that you will understand this. You can see the pictures also, diagrams also you can see, and with this you can understand very fast, quickly. Listen to the classes regularly. In the next class, we will write the question answers and the objective type. Thank you.